The Seraphim, usually part of a Seraphim squad, are elite warriors of the Orders Militant of the Adeptus Sororitas, who serve as the Sisters of Battle's primary assault infantry. Amongst the highly devoted warriors of the Order Militant, there are those battle sisters whose faith burns so brightly that it appears as if the Emperor himself guides their actions. These angelic warriors are known as Seraphim, and they are exclusively trained to use jump packs. More importantly, they are also taught the coordination, dexterity and control to fire 2 pistols at once. These warriors dedicate many painstaking Terran years to perfecting these arts. Time and again, Seraphim have struck like avenging angels, descending into the thickest of fighting upon wings of fire, their bolt pistols spitting death at their foes. Seraphim are schooled in their order's most ancient fighting techniques, learning to wield their sidearms in brutal melees as other warriors brandish knives and swords. Seraphim deflect the strikes of their foes with fluid grace before landing a killing blow of their own, typically with a point-blank headshot from a bolt pistol. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.